Hello guys, in this video I will show you how can you log out from your Snapchat account. Okay, let's go for it. First of all, go to your Snapchat and tap on your profile. Okay, tap on the settings options. Okay, here is all informations, so just scroll this. Okay, here is options for you at last log out. So I just want to log out for some reasons, so okay, tap on here. Okay, and here is information for you, like save login information. Would you like to save your login information device? You will be able to log without having your password or username or password. Yeah, I want, because I remember my password, whatever. Yes, tap on yes. Okay, now tap on log out.